absolutely on your side 100%.
No, you're not, man.
But in order to run the proper procedure, we're gonna need some type of deductible to even start the process.
What am I supposed to tell my mom then, man? I'm supposed to just let her die?
Listen here, Mr. Hobson. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I don't make the rules. I'm so sorry.
Man, but...
My vision has always been golden. That's why I see the pearly gate starting to open. I ain't got no friends, cause I've been the omen. Take a look at the enemy's blood I am soaked in.
Yeah, staring back at my reflection, thinking about the hand of cards I've been holding. When I'm upset, it's hard to control it. Soon as I'm fully charged, I unload it. This shit is keeping Marcus so devoted to writing these crazy bars that you know it. I'm too steady with the juice. Hit the booth ready when I barge and I'm hoking. I'm no longer with Avengers. Heart is frozen with some vengeance. 8 years old, I was a menace. Can't get lost in all the critics. They judge it when they ain't caught about the trenches. Look, bitches, I'm making dough from all the bitching. You think I would baking soda in the kitchen? It's UP and taking over is the mission. The realest and nation know the shit's encrypted. Listen,
I debate. Should I smile like everything's good and pretend that life is great? Or should I let the world see the real me and not hide this pain? I tried to be like the rest of y'all, sorry I just can't. I'ma probably die this way, Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You know I'ma die this way, Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You know I'ma die this way, Where did my mind go? Tell me why am I letting these bombs blow? I'm stubborn and even my mom knows that. Am I lonely? Yes. I'm on one, that's what my homies left. I live with no regrets, motherfuckers, I won't repent.
Man, the other day I cussed my girlfriend's parents out. It is apparent now, they try to justify their daughter's bullshit. Well, I am raw enough to air it out. I'm intense at times in my mind, there's a Grinch inside that tells me to write offensive lines. If the shit I do doesn't make sense in your head, nigga, fuck you, cause it makes sense in mine. Yeah, think I got a little ego. If you cut me open, you will see I'm full of it. From the 818, a motherfucking Panorama City hooligan. I see the whole world and everybody looking like a duplicate. Bitch, I do me, and that's the only way you'll ever see me doing it.
I debate. Should I smile like everything's good and pretend that life is great? Or should I let the world see the real me and not hide this pain? I tried to be like the rest of y'all, sorry I just can't. I'ma probably die this way, Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You know I'ma die this way, Oh yeah. You know I'ma die this way, I don't feel no shame. Why should I hide this pain? Sorry, we look the same. There isn't much that anybody else could tell me. I'm the only nigga living in my shoes and this shit is overwhelming. I travel earth like a lost soul. Fire's burning as I rot slow. There ain't many I can vent to in this world. I got family but we not close, so I tell my story through a hot song. You all know to get your popcorn when I hit you with the ill mind. Neverland, that's a place you know we not going. This is struggle and pain, about me always being stuck in the rain. To be honest, I don't want it to change. I'ma take it to my deathbed up until nothing remains. Oh yeah.